Hi, my name is Mariana Natalie Torres, and today I'm gonna show you my favorite vacations. This is the oral exam number 2. Well, um, my family and I were to Cancun when I was 15 years old. This is my mom, Gardenia, and this is my sister, Valeria, and I. Well, the first place we went arrived was Tulum, and I remember the the first time was I saw the ocean, and I really loved it. I really felt so so cool, and I really enjoyed the view. I never see before a Turkish ocean, so that's a that's an amazing experience for me. Well, the first day when we arrived, we left the bags in the car, and because we want to go to the beach first and then to the department, but we went to the car, we saw one robbery all the bags except my bag, and we felt so sad, but this don't give it up the vacations. Well, other place was Chichen Itza and Mayan ruins. These two were amazing too, so big, and I have a picture with the Chichen Itza pyramid, and yeah, that's so beautiful. Mayan ruins have in front the ocean, so the view was amazing. Well, we to go, we too went to the cenotes, actually Dos Ojos cenotes, and we saw a cenote like this, but I just went to a cenote like this. The water was so cold, so cold, and was so deep, but actually so beautiful and relaxing. Into we went to Isla Mujeres. This it's so incredible too. It's so big, and we went this island in a boat. We went to eight eat ate something. I ate aguachile and walk in the downtown, and the ocean was like a pool and so big. It's not it's nothing deep, and I think this was my favorite place in all the trip. And well, we too went to the beach and take some pictures, view the ocean, and yeah, I love this vacation and I want to repeat this in the future. Yeah, thank you.